Trinamool Congress Meghalaya Unit kabadan hapo kajing alam jawba Charles Ping Group kumu President bat kajing dan rengkadu Dr. Mukul Sangma kumu Legislature Party Leader kila pelat pait ba sakawai scheme kabari kerpang yaki samla kabakila ai kerteng kum ke Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Scheme. Ke Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Scheme kadai kabala penkrek kerpang da ke TMC na kabenta ki samla bat kani ke scheme kat kum kajing bentep kalong bakan trekam lada ke TMC kan wan syakabor ha ke election arjar pulai. Kum juru lapan sengau baling ba kani ka scheme lai lak ngot ki samla kin yo kam yo jambat kan thopru ka jing ai ka ba 6000 tengka shi khlie shi banai ya ki samla ka do kam ki ba padang ka arpuwe hado sau post nam ha kani ka sngi la yo ro ka jing kran shwa now Dr. Mukul Sangma pat bot pat sau ba Charles Ping Group ki bala kran bat ai jing kerman halor kani ka scheme ka ba an pantrai kam lada ka TMC ka yo ban wan ha ka bor
3 lakh job we have promised to do, and we will ensure that with the mandate, with the love and confidence that's coming from people from all the four corners of the state, with that strength that we draw from the faith and confidence that is vested upon us by the people, we will march ahead to shoulder this responsibility. And all those who will be the recipient, I will not say beneficiary, the recipient, because we have believed in the concept of being supportive to each other by understanding problem of each other and therefore sharing the burden of concern, sharing the burden of all the problems that as individuals we face on a day-to-day life, sharing the burden of really finding answers to meet the aspirations of their children. All these hope and aspiration that we generated with this collective resolve, I think it's only appropriate and proper for the youth to connect. Be the driver of this movement. Let us call it movement. It is not going to be the TMC's movement, it is going to be the people's movement. It's going to be the youth movement to create opportunity to do justice to the hopes and aspirations of the people. Today, I want to urge upon the people of the state to remain alert and vigilant, to always ensure that it is our collective and binding responsibility to fight for justice. Justice for those who are deprived. Justice who are definitely looking at a bleak future because of the injustice, because of nepotism, because of the so-called self-centric agendas of greedy people. Let us try to connect with this collective agenda. Therefore, those friends, the youth, the job seekers, please take advantage of this resolve of Meghalaya Pradesh TMC. Enroll yourself as part of this great movement. My card, Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Card. It will be true empowerment. Why I'm saying that Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Card will be a true empowerment card? Because that is going to remind us as to how many people are still there who are not given job. That will be the data. Do you believe that only 23,200 people are actually unemployed who are registered as per government record? It is not. It is not. But if we go by this figure, we will be misled by the data itself. Therefore, my card, Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Card, is going to remind us again and again how many jobs we have been able to create as per the promise that we made, and how much more we need to do. Therefore, all these crucial sectors will be activated. All those crucial sectors which revolves around the progress and prosperity and welfare of the people will be activated, and we will remain committed to this promise that we are making. This is the second promise. that as a party we have made to the people of the state. Let us proceed together.
That this scheme guarantees the creation of 3 lakh jobs. 300,000 jobs. Someone may ask, isn't that a tall order? But for us, it will be our endeavor and our commitment to reach that goal. Because the party, as a party, we are gearing and preparing ourselves to ensure that this will be possible by doing our homework, not after you will bring us to power, but before we sit in the seats of governance to serve the people of Meghalaya with the utmost humility and integrity. This scheme will obviously be one of the best schemes that our party will be launching, and there will be other schemes coming forward too. But you can be rest assured that the commitment and our dedication towards the people of the state comes from the very core of our heart. We are committed as a team. The leaders of this party in the state of Meghalaya, we are committed to provide a governance that is clean, that is above all allegations or any other insinuations that may arise in the course of our deliverance. But you can be rest assured that it will be our dream and our commitment to the people of the state to fulfill the hopes and aspirations of each and every one of you.